How to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is unlock your iPhone and navigate to your iPhone's home screen. Once in there, drag down your control center from the top right corner of your screen. Then once you are inside the control center, long press on the focus option available there. Then tap on the plus icon available at the bottom. Once you tap on the plus icon, all you have to do is tap on the customize option available at the top. Now all you have to do is add your name. Write down your name, scroll down and simply choose one emoji option available there and tap on the next button available there. And now all you have to do is again go back to the home screen and drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Long press on focus, then simply toggle on the name you just customized. Now go back to the lock screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.